So this one's going to be a little bit different of a video. We had some technical difficulties with video cameras and getting videos, and I through some editing I accidentally deleted fish catch. So I'm going to add some pictures of practice and some videos that we had on our phones through the day. So here we go for Fate Dam.
Huge. Quit licking.
Well, we've caught a 612. Biggest bass of my life so far. He wants to go.
It's no days off. Take no breaks. You in my lane. You in my way. You cross that line. It ain't your day. I lost my mind.
Ooh.
I need my spot. On the ties got me sitting high like a gladiator. Life on the line, cross the state line, straight face when I navigate it. You don't know about the fast life. I got scars from my last fight. Ice water in my bloodstream from some old things in my past life. This is not what you wanted.
Danny's out here the day before the tournament.
Yes.
Just sore lipping these biggins. Here, set it in the water.
5
Turn her belly out on her side. There you go.
Old boat. Lucky fishing hat.
This is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle, victory is mine. Show you the harder the battle harder.
We're having a rough day. Porta potty's down.
Well, it's a little windy out today. It's May 18th. At Fate Dam. It's going to be a windy one most of the day. Just going to go give her a shot. She's been fishing a little tough, but there's a few good ones to be had. So we'll see how things go. So, also boat number 6 today. See.
When you face pain, or they take aim like a movie shoot. No vest when they draw
surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. Not going down. Gonna stand my ground till the final hour.
Guess
Till
what?
the fight is over. Gonna soldier on. Summon army of one. Gonna feel my power till the fight is over. Till the fight is over. Till the fight is over. I'll never surrender. Not going down without a fight. I'll never surrender. 'Cause I was born to stay alive. I'll get through the struggle. Get myself on the run. It's never over until it's over. I'm not going under. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. I'll never surrender. There's a strength in me, got no defeat. I'm a survivor. This fight ain't over. 'Cause I'm rising up, never giving up. Never say never. This fight ain't over. This fight ain't over. This fight ain't over. I'll never surrender.